Hi guys, Sean here from Melbourne Emergency Glass. Just doing a quick review on one of our pet doors, which is the Trans-Cat cat door. As you can see here, it's our most popular cat door that we install. Main reasons: it is very durable. They on average last at least 10 years and they're very slim in design. They can be placed on a fixed panel next to a sliding door. 9 times out of 10 they will not hit when the sliding door slides past. We can also install it in a low panel window or also a door that pushes open with the glass in the center. We always install these into a new panel of glass, which is a 4 to 6 millimeter toughened glass. That's all dependent on the original thickness of the glass so that we can reuse the rubber seals and everything looks standard. Now, the reason that we install these into toughened safety glass is because toughened safety glass is 4 to 5 times stronger than normal annealed or float glass. This means that if there is impact, and there always will be a little bit of impact, the glass will not crack and potentially injure your cat. If this glass ever does break, it just crumbles up and it's very safe, but a cat will never be able to break this glass. Now, the process to get a cat door installed, we first price over the phone. We would either need photos or approximate measurements and a description of the door or window glass that it needs to go into. Once the quote is accepted, we make an appointment to do a comprehensive measure. While we're there, we discuss where you want the hole cut out positioned on the glass. We can do different heights. We can have it in the center laterally to the glass, or we can go off to the side if there's say a couch, or if it's in a laundry, sometimes the washing machine or cupboard could be in the way, so we can put that off to the side. Once that's all measured up, everything's discussed, and we will then order it. It takes about 7 to 10 working days to get the glass, and then once it's ready, we book in, and it normally takes an hour to an hour and a half appointment to get the cat door installed. So if this is something that you're after, please give Melbourne Emergency Glass a call and we'll book in a free quote and measure.